Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today he have a 2006 Range Rover, Land Rover, so beautiful here, and the key went bad, and you know when you have a key problem you have to program, have a spare key is better. The key get into the water and then he get him some trouble, sometimes it starts, sometimes not. We are using Maxi 6, try to see if we can program this key again. This is this key start. Okay, first we need to do, I'm gonna put this steering column can go down a little bit.
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Just to let us see what is there. Okay. Where is the key now? The one you have.
Right here.
So we have a new key. We already cut it, but it will not start the car. So I'm gonna go turn the AC off. Where is that AC knob? Off it. This one here. Okay. And I will turn the car also off. You can come other side, you. Ignition is on. Let's go. What I realized, if you have a working key, you will be able to add a key. But if you don't have no working key, it's not easy to add a key. You may have to use a dealer tools. But after marking this tool, I tried. You must have working key, and I was surprised last time. So I'm gonna go to Emo, say accept. I already connect the OBD2, not yet. So I'm gonna look for that OBD2 place. This one here is not far, it's just here. That one. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the next level. Now I'm gonna go by VIN.
V8 supercharged.
Supercharged. Detect. Why he asked me by VIN number? Because the MCU, the adapter is not communicated yet. So I'm gonna cancel this. Be sure you have two green here. But let's see now. Some of them after you. Now it take 1 to 3. Yeah, now I'm getting it. That's the VIN number. I'm gonna read it again. I pushed that by mistake. I will say okay. Decoding the VIN. Decoding the VIN.
Yeah, how you doing, man?
How are you, my brother?
I'm alright.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm kind of busy with this one.
Alright.
I have a friend of mine, he's buying the Land Rover, the old one.
Yes, 2005 to 2009.
I want one of those trucks so bad.
Okay, auto scan.
Really?
I want
Well,
one.
Okay, let me close this.
I seen one in the house.
Ignition is on, yes. So now I'm gonna scan everything. It was very fast. Immobilizer matching, remote learning. I'm gonna go to immobilizer matching, star key writing, of course. Please complete this function by referring to the operation guide. No, this is not read MCU data. Make a start key. Make a start key. Write MCU data. This is very funny. Immobilizer what? Add a key. At least one learning key is required. Will you like to continue? Yes. The other one maybe you have to read dumps. Insert the learn key. Key do not turn the ignition on. So I'm gonna put the key inside, but the ignition must be off. Follow this step correctly, please. You must have working key. I already have my working key here. So learning successful. Learning successful. Do you like to learn another next one? I say yes. Insert the learning key into the Please insert the learning key into the ignition. Do not turn the key on. You tell me this one 2 times, so let me go put the other one. I put this one.
Now look at this one.
Do not turn the key on. Okay. You say learning accessible. Do you want to say yes? No. Start. My car is start. Everything perfect. Beautiful. Now take the key out. Yes. Wow. It's working.
The best truck ever.
I cannot believe. So please, if you have Land Rover, do not wait with one key. It's very easy to get a key, even from any place, from eBay, from any place. Cut it and have a key working. This key, if you lost all key, you talk about the headache, and you talk about $400 to make it. Please. With this one, it's cheap. It may be cost you some kind of money, but not expensive. Please make it. You can do it with a learning key, yes. But if you don't have no learning key, now you don't have to worry about anything. This doesn't work. So, but it still start the car. But we have a problem with it. So I'm not scared with this one. So at least we have 2 keys and we have peace of mind. If you want to keep this car, please get another key and program it.
I am. I gotta get one from the dealer.
No, this is good. They are good.
Oh, it works?
Yeah, I fixed it. I programmed it. But I say get keys because it's very important. Okay, thank you for watching Mobile Electronics. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronics. See you in another video, and please like, share, and subscribe.